Okay. I know. Sit. Come on, sit. Right here. Over here. Libby, look on your desk. Okay. Well, hello there, ladies and gents. I'm Tammy Sipnewski. Thank you so much for popping back mid-channel. In today's video, we're going to review the RobHK preset pack that you can find on his website. So I purchased that a few weeks ago, and I've been holding on to it because I wanted to wait and ask Rob's permission if it was okay that I did this video where I download his stuff and get it into LumaFusion and show you guys what it's all about. He, of course, gave me his permission, which was awesome. Thank you. Not only did Rob give me his permission to make the video, but he was also nice enough to give us a coupon code. So anything that you purchase off of his store, if you enter the coupon code Tammy1K subs, this is going to get you 10% off of your purchase. I've already gone into my email and downloaded a lot of the different stuff that he has in that preset pack. There's a lot there. I mean, I was stunned. I didn't realize how much I was going to be getting for 30 bucks. I honestly just thought it was going to be a couple of transitions and a couple of glitch effects and some animated titles. That's all I thought was going to be in this particular pack. There's so much more to it. There's Lutz. There's, of course, a lot of transitions. There's a lot of animated titles. There's sound effects. There's complete songs. I mean, there's overlays. There's a lot going on in this $30 package. So let's go ahead and check out a few of them together. Okay, so go ahead, open your email. Now go to this place, this little green button that says download product. You just want to tap that, and that is going to launch this entire package that you've purchased. Now you can see, I mean, for 30 bucks, there's an awful lot here. There's overlays, there's sound effects, there's music, there's kinetic typography. This is going to be animated titles. There's a lot of different overlays. There's a lot in here. So let's go ahead and just download one of these things. I've already downloaded pretty much the majority of everything, but I'll just do another one here so that you can see it. And it's going to say open in LumaFusion. And that's what you're going to hit, open in LumaFusion, and that's immediately going to launch LumaFusion, and it's going to save that in the appropriate area. Okay, so after you're done downloading everything from that original email, what you have to do is find out where everything is stored. And those kinetic typographies or animated titles that you can use in your intros or during your different videos or in the lower thirds portion, they're all going to be saved in your project manager as individual video clips. So what you want to do is hit the plus title, the plus sign. This is going to bring you to your project manager, and you can see a lot of these I've already gone ahead and downloaded. So let's go ahead and check that out, and you see how everything moves around. Now, of course, all of these are editable, so all you have to do to change that is double tap it, and that's going to bring you to the edit window, and then you would just go ahead and this says LumaFusion, so it would be the big title that you would change in this one. You would type in anything that you want to change. Then what you'd want to do is bring this over and export it to whatever area that you store your videos and pictures in. Export it as a separate video clip. Then you would re-import it into LumaFusion to use it with your videos. And like I said, he's made a bunch of different ones for you to choose from. I haven't finished downloading all of them, but there is a lot to choose from. This one is pretty cool. I like that one. Okay, so let's talk about some of the other things that you get whenever you purchase. New subscriber, thank you, John. When you purchase this preset pack, how you would get to some of these different things that you've imported from that download page is you go to imported. If you go here to mobile Safari, this is where a lot of those things are going to be stored. So we have a lot of different sound effects. We have a lot of different overlays. Let's go ahead and check a few of them out. Here's a whoosh sound. Let's go ahead and check this out. Make sure this is loud. Okay, that's cool. Let's go ahead and put something else down there. Oh, here's some of the overlays. That's super cool. Let's check this one out. That's also cool. Oh no, that's cinema bars. Sorry, that's from something else. Here's another whoosh. So there's a lot of different sound effects that he has in here, and he also has, which I didn't even know to expect, he has full songs, like 3 and 2 minute long songs. So let's go ahead and listen to a few of them. Okay, good beat, good beat. Let's listen to this one for a little bit.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's not for you. For the record, live.
Okay, that was pretty cool. Let's get rid of that though. Let's try something else. How about this once again? Now, ooh, this is 4 minutes long. That's a long song. Let me get rid of some of this stuff so I could just drop it. All of these seem to have really good beats. Let's listen to this one. That's cool. I really like that one. That was really good. Let's listen to this one. That's good too. I mean, I like all of these really. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other things that we get from Rob, like LUT packages. Whoops. Let's go ahead and take a look at the LUTs. And we would just go over to the cube, and this is where you can find all of the different LUTs. Okay, I know this is one, J. Olsen. That's one from Rob. Moody White is another one. RobHK. There's a lot of them called RobHK. So he's just got a lot of different ones for you to go through. Ooh, I really like this one. The RobHK 7. You know, this whole look is very in style right now. Like the moody kind of look where your greens have a hint of blue in them. So that's pretty cool. This one is super moody, right? That one's awesome. This one looks like it's more for the beach. Here's a black and white. I'd have to dial that up all the way to get to the true black and white. That's pretty cool. Man, he's got a lot. He's got to have, look at all of these. I mean, this is all him. This is, it starts from here. Sam Colder, he's got a couple of Sam Colder ones here. So let's see, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39. Geez, I mean, look at 39 and 40. So it looks like he's got 40 in here. But no, because I think there was even some higher up here. So there's 40 different LUTs. I mean, I've purchased LUT packages that were $12 and I got 4 LUTs. So this This alone, the LUT packages alone, are well worth the price that I paid for the entire preset pack. Cut here, and what we're going to do is take a look at some of the different transitions that he has. Now, to get to the transitions, of course, you're going to hit the star, and these are going to be all listed over here. And wow, so it looks like there's pretty much like 30 different transitions to choose from here as well. So you have a really good selection. Let's try this one. Stretch effect. Let's check out that one. That was cool too. Let's go ahead and check out another one. Let's go back to color and effects. So what you want to do is go to the star and find the first transition that you want to work with. So what I'm going to do is find the whip out left, because the first one was the whip in. We are going to find the whip out. To do. Sometimes you have to pair up the transition with the action. I have to say, this is an incredible value for your money. You get all kinds of wonderful things to choose from: animated titles, LUTs, transitions, overlays, sound effects, music. I mean, it's an incredible value for your money. That was a lot. That is an awful lot of stuff for 30 bucks. Now, I don't want anyone to think that my opinion is biased because Rob gave me a shout out. That's not what this is. So let me give you facts and for instance to back that up. I purchased Peter McKinnon's LUT pack probably like maybe almost 2 years ago now at this point. I paid $20 and I got 7 LUTs. And that's it. And to me, it was worth it because I do like all of his LUTs. For 30 bucks, Rob is giving you 30 LUTs. A whole heap of transitions, overlays, sound effects, songs, animated titles. I mean, you get a lot there. So if you want really high quality videos with the least amount of effort possible, you can't go wrong with this preset pack. And don't forget, you're going to get 10% off all of your purchases on Rob's store if you use the coupon code down below, Tammy1K subs. That's going to give you 10% off whatever you're purchasing from Rob's online store. But hurry up, because it's only going to be valid for 1 week after the posting of this video. So rush right on over there, get the preset pack. You're not going to regret it. Everything that you download is yours to keep for as long as you have LumaFusion. That's yours. It's not a yearly fee. You pay the money and you're done. Well, guys, that's going to wrap it up here for me today. I appreciate you so much for popping over. And let me just say, this is the second time that I've actually filmed this video. And the reason that you saw a lot of the things already in my iPad was because I made this video yesterday, but when I went to edit it and watch it, I had a shirt on underneath the jacket, and I guess one of the buttons on my shirt came open, and it was like open way down low. And I've recently discovered that my father has subscribed to my channel. Hi, Dad. So no way would he tolerate any of that being shown. So I had to completely scrap that video and reshoot it. Of course. Well, I thank you so much for joining me. You know, I do appreciate the fact that you guys come over to my channel and check out my videos. I really do. And until next time, wear your sunblock.